November sales report and best-selling items. For the month of November, I had 162 sales across all stores. This is a 60% increase from the 101 sales I had in October. Sales broken down by store: Miss Rhoadie 97, Weddings by Rhoadie 13, Homeschool Me 16, Rhoadie's Kitchen 26, Alma Africa 5, Bible Verses and Gifts 5, Earrings by Rhoadie 0. Best-selling items. My Best Grandpa Ever Family Photo t-shirt was my best-selling item for the month of November. In second place is my Best Dad Ever coffee mug. In third place was my Best Nana Ever photo t-shirt. The rest of my sales consisted of other t-shirts, Christmas stockings, and wrapping paper. Customer demographic. 79% of my customers were from the U.S. and 21% were international. The majority of my customers are women at 76%, men 15%, and 9% unknown. For November, I had a total of 31 states where my sales came from in the U.S. Texas came in at number 1 at 15%, New Jersey 10%, Florida 10%, and New York 8%. These are my international sales. I had 8 sales from Australia, 6 from Canada, 6 from the UK, 3 from Germany, 2 from New Zealand, 1 from Spain, 1 from Poland, and 1 from Sweden. Honorable mentions. My file folders from Homeschool Me, the Christmas theme, they're doing well. Or they did well for November, and I expect them to continue doing well for December. Referrals. I had 1 referral in November. RBG face mask by Hero Gifts. Takeaways. Sales trends change every month. Last month, most of my sales came from California, but this month, most came from Texas. Australia is still my number 1 country for international sales. I was pleasantly surprised to see a sale from Poland. I don't recall ever seeing one from there. Thank you for watching.